guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. As always, hope you guys had an excellent day trading today. As you can see here, the portfolio did quite well today. In the green, up 1.17% during active hours trading, 1225.63. It did trend down quite a bit in after hours trading there, as you can see, 0.35%, 372.92. And that had to do with the recent stock I got into, kind of regretting jumping into that stock. A few different things going against it, and the stock price has definitely been hurting the portfolio. But nevertheless, a very good day today. And today I thought I would just quickly highlight the best stock over the last couple months as well as the worst stock. And if you guys have followed the channel, you probably have already guessed what the best stock has been. Portola, PTLA. This is a very small biotech pharmaceutical company. About 2.5 months ago, it had a very nice spike in the price of the stock. One of its pharmaceuticals in development passed FDA approval for sale within the United States, and it really jump-started the stock. Trended up almost to $67 before trending down here, but it's starting to trend back up. And the key part about this particular company is that its most influential drug, the one that can make the company the most money, is still in the FDA process, and there's a very high likelihood that will be approved. And I believe moving forward up until the decision, either later this year or early next year, this company is going to be a prime acquisition target. So if that happens, I believe this company will be a $100 company. And if that doesn't happen, we'll have to wait a little bit longer, but I still think this is going to be a $100 company within the next couple of years once the drug that was passed here comes online, as well as the one that hopefully will be approved either, again, this fall or early next year. And that's the bigger drug. That's the one that has no direct competitor and will make the company the most money if it's not acquired, which I believe it will be acquired by a larger pharmaceutical like Merck or Pfizer, Eli Lilly and Company. Those are sort of the three leading candidates. But very good stock, very risky stock. Don't necessarily advise anyone jumping into the stock. It's not a company that's making a profit right now. Its drugs are still in the development process. Like I said, one has been approved. Another one is still in the pipeline to be approved. But it definitely has a lot of potential. Very good upside potential with Portola. And you can see here over the last day, 5.1% up. Been very volatile. If I wasn't holding this stock longer term for the tax benefits, I definitely would be swing trading this stock. I think there's a lot of potential for swing trading in the stock. But I've been doing a little bit more conservative trades with my swing trading, especially with stocks I'm holding longer term, including Ford here. I've been setting up some very good swing trades. I would have executed these trades if I did not have this nice dividend down here that I'm waiting to get qualified for lower tax rates. Once that's qualified, I'll definitely start jumping back into Ford to doing some more day and swing trading. And then the worst trade in the portfolio over the last couple months was PSEC. This was kind of an impulse buy. I had some capital sitting on the sidelines. Decided to use about $1,000 worth of that to do a dividend capture with PSEC, but the only thing that happened was after I bought the stock, it trended down 4%, then 5%, and then it just had earnings posting today after hours, and you can see it did not meet its expected earnings per share. You can see the solid red dot is definitely below the lighter red dot there on Q2 2017. Did not meet investors' expectations, and because of that, the stock is down 16.52% over the last month. And just over the last day here, you can see 1.26 during normal hours trading, and then the after hours trading after the earnings were reported, down another 2.41%. So this is a very unfortunate trade for the portfolio. It's been losing the portfolio quite a bit of money here, about $180 or so when all things are factored in. The dividend payment's only going to be $15 or so, so not quite worth it. Definitely the worst trade in the portfolio over the last few months here. So again, Prospect Capital, PSEC, definitely the worst, and PTLA, Portola, definitely the best trade in the portfolio so far. So didn't really want to talk anything more about the portfolio than how the performance went today. Very good day of trading, but again, a couple different stocks really driving the price of the portfolio. Pharmaceutical companies, Pfizer, Eli Lilly and Company, AbbVie Incorporated, and Portola, all in the green today and all driving the stock of those companies up, and then driving the portfolio up as a result, as a lot of capital is tied up in pharmaceuticals in the portfolio. So let me know how you guys did with your portfolios, but the portfolio is not looking too bad right now. Definitely has some room to grow. There are definitely a few market sectors that have been in the red. Of note, real estate investment trusts, they are down in my portfolio about 8 or 9% overall. I have quite a bit of money invested in real estate investment trusts. I'm really hoping that rebounds. But again, if they continue to trend down, I'm going to be averaging down. I think those are great long-term buys, and they definitely help balance out the portfolio with growth versus income and dividend type of stock. So again, let me know how you guys did today, and not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end it there. As always, if you guys enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate your guys' support immensely. The channel is where it's at because of you guys. If you guys want to support the channel, please give me any good video ideas. I'm always looking to put out interesting videos on new topics. I'm always looking to read up on new topics. The whole point of this portfolio is to learn. So I always like to hear different perspectives on stocks, investing strategies, what you guys are doing with your portfolios, how you're kind of doing diversification and balancing risk and mitigating risk and hedging different types of stocks that you're in. So just let me know how you guys are doing your portfolios, how you're arranging and managing those. Good sell-off points, buy points, just good stocks to buy. Always interested. So again, not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end it here, and we'll see you guys next time.